Hi everyone, welcome back to David at Go To Hobbies. Right, we're in Nottinghamshire, England. We're on a little walk in the woods, and we've come to the edge of the woods. We've come through it, come out the other side, and now we're in the edge of a farmer's field. Very nice here, very calm, peaceful. Lots of birds singing, very nice down here. And we're just making our way back to the car now. We've probably walked about, I don't know, it must be about a mile. And yes, very relaxing, very calming, very peaceful. Beautiful, really. So this is the way we come down. We're just going to walk back. This is the first time I've actually been down here. So yeah, it's a nice little walk actually. As you can hear the birdies singing. Yeah, that's the wind blowing. Nice. Something about walking in the woods is very relaxing, very calming, re-energizing, and just helps with stress and puts you in a good mind because you're with nature. Those sort of things really. Plenty of flies though. Yes, plenty of flies though. Just be mindful of when you're walking in the woods that in England we have a snake called an adder. And we actually have more than one snake. We have a grass snake, and it's like a slow worm. It's like a very short, silky, like silvery snake, but miniature. Well, like I say, they're lovely little creatures. More like a, I suppose it belongs to the lizard family actually. I'm not 100% sure, but it is. It's a lovely little thing. Don't often see them now. I've seen grass snakes, I've seen adders, but I don't go really looking for them because obviously I don't go wandering off the beaten track. And adders do bite. I dare say grass snakes bite, but they're not poisonous. They give you a nasty bite. Might have to go to the doctors or the hospital, but overall England's got no poisonous snakes, not that I know of. And I'm 63, I think I know by now, but there's not, so we're very lucky. Not like other countries. Mind you, we do have a fair few spiders, and sometimes they do bite, but yeah, not poisonous like venomous, as they would say. So yeah. Whew. It's warmed up a bit, I know that. It's lovely and shady in the woods though, as you can see. It's really quite beautiful actually. Yes, very nice here. And the great thing is I'm all on my own, just enjoying a stroll in the woods with you, walking back to the car. There's a bee or a fly of some description. It might have been one of those like hover flies. The thing is, when you walk in the woods, you can hear all the birds singing, and all the bees and bugs and, not bugs as such, but flies flying around doing what they're doing. See the odd occasional spider walking across the floor, and yeah, it's lovely. It's just a little thing. You go in the woods, pick your rubbish up, don't leave it there. I'll be coming back down here. I've picked up glass today, so I've got no bags for the rubbish, so that'll be my next job. I'm bringing a bag with me to go in the woods and picking the rubbish as I go by up, because I ain't going to leave it here to spoil it. Yeah, it's lovely to hear the birds singing. One thing about when you walk in the forest, the further you walk away from the road, the trees seem to deaden the sound. It's like almost like a blanket, and they stop the noise of the cars and that. So yeah, come to that's almost like a clearing where we come through before, and I decided to come down here because on the other video duck down and get under the tree. Lovely, isn't it? I was going to go down there, you see, but I didn't. I decided to come down here. It is beautiful, really, really beautiful. Guy's gorgeous here. So yeah, that's the way back to the car. It's been absolute pleasure really making these videos, because I'm talking to you and telling you about my wood walks and what I see. What is absolutely amazing is all the wild flowers, and the colours are absolutely amazing. Tiny little flowers, but they're so beautiful. And you think to yourself, it's right on our doorstep, and we're driving past it every day. Oh, excuse me. And it's amazing, absolutely amazing. So close to nature, and you think to yourself, what have I been missing? Really have. So let's have a quick look at the trees. So that there, one in front of us, that's a an oak tree, and that's another oak tree there, another one behind it, and those over there are pine trees. This is forestry land, and where they go get the words out, trees for harvesting. Basically, it's done so we can sustain the trees in the country and produce wood for ourselves. I think it was initiated after the Second World War, so that was the plan. So yeah. Oh, I tell you what, it's quite warm in this old sun now. Try to walk on a bit that's less stony. As you can hear, I'm panting a bit. The little flowers, look at them. Pretty, aren't they? So They almost look like wild foxgloves, those purpley flowers over there. I don't know what they actually are, but they look like wild ones. Go down the woods and you see all different types of coloured flowers, lots of birdies singing, and nice experience really. I think we should all do more walking in the woods. One, gets us more healthy, and the other benefit is it actually helps calm you down, helps heal your body. I mean, just look, isn't that beautiful? Hey, that is really, really beautiful. Lovely oak tree there, really nice. It's quite an old one actually, so probably maybe a couple 100 years, I have no idea. It is absolutely lovely to walk here. I'll come again. I haven't been to this spot before, but I'll definitely come again. And the thing is, when you're walking the woods, you see all different shapes of trees. And there's one here. The patterns in those tree trunks. Do you know how to tell the age of a tree? Okay. If you do, that's good. If you don't, I'll tell you. Every year a tree grows, right, it leaves like a ring. When they cut it across, you can tell how old a tree is by the round of rings it has from the centre. So every year's growth is designated by a ring of bark growth, and you'll see that in the wood, in grains of wood. That is actually the year's growth. So when you see like patterns in the wood, that's actually of the patterns of the growth of the tree. Quite interesting actually. There's a lot to wood than you'd ever realise. We're nearly back. I can hear the cars. Not long now. It's a bit cooler down here. We're actually in the shady bit, canopy of the trees. Look at the birdies. Nice. Should be seeing my car shortly, and then we'll call it a day. I'll see my car there. I hope it's still there. It'd be helpful. It's a long walk home otherwise, isn't it? There we go. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed the little walk in the woods with me. And a return trip to the car. We've achieved quite a lot in this little walk. Found some lovely coloured plants and some nice trees, lots of insects, lots of birds singing, and really had a really nice time. So yes, all in all, a very nice walk in the woods. So anyway, that leaves me to say bye-byes to you, and thank you for listening to me and my ramblings on, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, always much appreciated, and if you wouldn't mind subscribing to the channel for more lovely walks in the woods and more on the nature side of things. So yes, We'll see you again in the next video, and take care for now. Bye bye.